Hello friends on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB 8.0 on Windows 11. Here, for this we will have to go to the browser, right? Pishem sudo MongoDB Community Edition. Let's go in. MongoDB Community Edition, right? Click download for free. Here, choose MongoDB Community Server. That's our version, right? And accordingly click download. That's it. We are waiting. Next, open the installer. And we wait. Here, click on the button. So I accidentally opened it twice. Here, click next, accept next, click complete. Here, we leave it as it is. Click next, and accordingly, do you need a compass or not? Click next and install and wait for the installation to complete. So after the installation, we need to find the path to, respectively, the server. To do this, you need to go to this computer, the CE disk program files. Here we are looking for MongoDB server 8.2, bin. So we copy this path. We'll need to add it to Wednesday. To do this, go to Start, write appropriate editing of the environment, or system settings here, and accordingly here we need to click here. Here we choose, well, our path. With Java, right? Click New here and paste the path to the server. Click OK, OK and close. Next we need the shell. In order to do this, to download it, go to the browser again and write here MongoDB shell download. Yes, download it. Select MSI here, well, MCA, and click download. Here, such a file is downloaded, open it. So, did I accidentally open it again twice or what? No, here, click next, click install. So, let's click finish. After which you have completed the post successful installation. That's all. Weller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.